How to ignore calls without blocking on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can ignore calls without blocking on iPhone. So let's get started. So there are several ways you can do so. First is by using a DND mode, that is do not disturb mode. So to do that, you can swipe down from the top right corner and you should be on your control panel. There, this is what it should look normally. But if you long press on it, you can find these many options. So you can simply tap on do not disturb to turn it on. After that, all the calls you get will be silent and you won't know. The other thing that you can do is you can silent unknown calls. To do that, you can head over to your settings. After you're on your settings, scroll down till you find the apps option. Search for phone. This one right here. So after you're here, scroll down and there you'll find an option that says silence unknown callers. Tap on it and turn this on. Now all the calls that are not from your contacts will get silent. Now the other thing that you can also do is you can use a mode that is your airplane mode. So swipe down from the top right and simply turn on airplane mode. This one right here, and after you do that, you basically won't be getting any calls. And yeah, that's how you can ignore calls without blocking on iPhone. Thanks for watching. That's it for today. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye. Take care.